Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an animation to a text in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. And from here we have to select one that we want to work on. Let's say it's this one. Then in this menu, we have to tap on text to edit the text boxes that we have in the project. Now we select the one that we want to animate. And from the bottom bar, we find the animation button and tap on that. Here we have multiple animations that we can add to our text box. Some are pro versions that you have to pay for. Some are free versions. And after we select one and set the duration of it, we can tap on OK, and then it is added to our text box. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.